Start. The petitioners earlier filed a writ petition in bracket C number 715 of 2024 calling in question the validity of the impugned rules full stop. A detailed judgment was passed on 7/11/2024, and the writ petition was disposed of on 19/5/2025 full stop. During the course of hearing of the said writ petition, it was noticed that when a situation with regard to non-deduction of payments made towards royalty, DMF and NMET from the value of coal was provided for, the central government remedied the situation full stop. During the course of hearing, it was brought to the notice of the court that, on 6/4/2021, Ministry of Mines had constituted a committee for examining the issue, and on 25/5/2021, a notice was issued by the committee inviting comments and suggestions on this issue, and pursuant thereto, a report dated 31/1/2022 was submitted by the committee to the Ministry of Mines full stop. It was recorded in the said judgment that 7/11/2024 that pursuant to the aforesaid report, a notice dated 25/5/2022 initiating public consultation on amending the MMDR Act had also been issued full stop. The relevant portion of the notice reads as under : A committee was constituted by the Ministry of Mines under chairmanship by Shri Praveen Kumar, IAS (retired), with members from Ministry of Mines, NITI Aayog, Ministry of Steel, Indian Bureau of Mines (IBM), and Indian Statistical Institute to examine the incidence of double calculation of royalty full stop. The committee concluded that since the sale value already includes royalty, DMF and NMET, the lessee pays royalty on royalty, DMF and NMET full stop. Due to this, there is an additional charge on the miners under the current methodology full stop. Accordingly, it is proposed to first introduce new section in the MMDR Act regarding ASP : second, the provision shall specifically provide that X mine price for determination of ASP shall exclude GST, export duty, royalty, DMF and NMET and such other levies as may be prescribed : third, the change will be applicable for all the MLS, whether auctioned, granted before or after the commencement of the proposed MMDR Amendment Act, for the minerals removed or consumed from the leased area after the commencement of the said Act, and fourth, adoption of new formula only for the future dues for existing MLS arising after the amendment full stop. Since no action was thereafter taken, the matter was argued on merits full stop. This court further observed that exclusion of payments made towards royalty and contribution towards DMF and NMET for coal but not for other minerals cannot be termed as arbitrary and unreasonable, merely because the computation for one differs from the other in certain aspects full stop. This court also observed that deference needs to be shown to the law-making authorities in deciding how royalty must be computed in respect of different mineral grades, concentrates, full stop. Thereafter, comma, what this court observed is very crucial, full stop. This court observed that while different treatment of the two minerals may not be in excess of the powers or domain of the respondents, or the differential treatment may not be in breach of any statutory provision, comma, the court cannot ignore or overlook the fact that the legislature itself has acknowledged the anomaly in compounding of royalty for the purpose of computation of average sale price in bracket hereinafter ASP bracket close, full stop. This court further observed that even the respondent Union of India had acknowledged that the differing mechanism for coal and other minerals is not based on any fine distinction between the two, comma, but rather an anomaly in the 2016 rules and 2017 rules, comma, and it is for that reason that a committee had been constituted to look into the same, and that the committee had proposed amendments for rectifying the same, full stop.